Hi everybody. Now the project for this week isn't done yet, but I'm going to show you a little preview. Doesn't really matter. This week I received a lovely little package from China. Yes, eyelashes. I've seen these passing around on Facebook on a couple of the pages that I follow, and they seem to be really lovely for making tall grasses and such. So I went to my local store to get some fake eyelashes now after getting a couple of weird looks. Yes, sexism is still rampant in 2019, ladies and gentlemen. I came to the conclusion, well, that it's quite expensive. So I went, what every good citizen does, and that's buy my stuff from China. So as you could see previously, these are really cheap. In fact, I didn't have to pay for these, I just had to pay shipping costs, which was what, like €2, so basically free. They feel really soft yet firm, and they have this handy little glue layer at the bottom. Time to lay down some paints. I take out a collection of green airbrush paints and a purple ink. I start by laying down a coat of dark green. However, since the layers are black, this will not show through very much, so you will see me change quickly to a lighter green and then a highlight with a light yellow. Now, because we are blasting these hairs with paint, it's important to, at some intervals, use a needle and split the hairs up a little bit. Now for the next lash I wisened up, and instead of using my fingers to keep it, I used this needle. Ladies and gentlemen, pro tip. First a layer of white and then a layer of purple to simulate a bit of alien vegetation. So these are the bases that I'm going to use. I made these in a previous tutorial where I reviewed the Lux APS products, the base readies. Go and check it out, link in the description below. I cut up the eyelashes into separate strands. I tried to attach the pieces of lash to the model with the glue that was already on it. However, that did not work as it should, so therefore I whipped out the super glue and I used a pair of tweezers to glue the pieces of lash into place where I thought that they would look good. And this is the result for the green grass. I really like it. Quite a bit of more experimentation to do, but for a first try, good. Now for the purple, same principle. I cut away just above the glue line, apply the glue, and apply the little tufts to where I think they look cool. And this is the result. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this project. If you like what you're seeing, like, subscribe, you know what to do. Don't forget to check out my social media. I'm usually 1 or 2 projects ahead, so you can check out my WIP pictures. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week for the generator. Bye.